Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable battery protection in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that scroll down, go to battery option. Now from here go to battery protection option. Now just tap here to enable this option. That's it. Now here you can find two options of battery protection, basic and maximum. Now if you select basic from here, then your battery will be charged 100%. Charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%, and then the charging will start again. On the other hand, if you select maximum, then your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. You can also customize your percentage from here. You can choose 80%, 85%, 90% and 95%. And that way you can choose any option to protect your battery. And that is how you can enable battery protection or protect battery in your Samsung Galaxy S17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.